Welcome to my new video. In this video, Shane will be voicing over this makeup video, so enjoy!
Okay, here's my beautiful... What happened to it? It just disappeared.
It's okay.
I'm already putting aloe vera, making it smooth. Gotta make sure it's all over the place, all perfectly spread it out. Time the side of my face as it helps to sculpt my face. Apparently it's good for you, according to celebrities and experts, I guess. Yeah, it does feel good though. I've experienced it myself. Now I'm gonna put oh geez, color around my face. I mean oh, maybe it's a bit of blush or blend to yep, some sort of brush to make my eyebrows look spiky. And then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrows. Is it like a filler? Yeah, something like that. And brushing my eyes again, my eyebrows again. I'm not too sure what the purpose is at. I guess to shape it. One side is looking good. What? What was that? I'm so confused. What happened? I think I'm supposed to put some sunscreen first before doing all that. Oh no. Now I'm gonna now she's adding some eyelid color. Just to help pop out the eyes, I guess. I don't know why. Putting a little white color. Oh no. To make our eyelid shiny. Okay, adding more sparkles or some sort of different coloring to help eyes pop. Pour for cracked lips. Ooh, ouch. Eyeliner? I think it's eyeliner. I like this because it makes her slightly Egyptian. I don't know if that's racist or something. But anyways. Looks like she was scared and struggled to do that. Maybe. Oh, I don't know what that magic pen is. She seemed shocked that she did it so well. Drinking coffee. Foundation, I think. I'm not too sure. It's that to help blend in the skin, make it smooth. Looks like she's about to sneeze. Oh, maybe that's blush. Just to make powder. Kind of help the cheeks pop, I guess, in the jawline. That brush is so soft. Feels good. Measuring her forehead. Now to for our nose to make it, like, you know, more sharp, I guess. I don't know. Adding color to the cheeks, blending it in for those rosy cheeks. Other side. What? I don't understand the extra layer. Adding shine to her nose to make it pop out more, just like with the cheeks, so it doesn't look like you got slapped twice. Wow. Guess it's a extra thing to make it pop. Looking good. Nearly forgot one thing. Oh, the guillotine for your eyelid. What do you call it?
Lashes.
Oh yeah, the lashes. Oh, mascara. Oh wait, is that mascara? I personally don't like this. It's so close to the eyes. Crazy. Ooh, eyes popping. What is this? Oh god. I don't know about that. I guess it's like a highlighter for the eyes. Oh, why? Ooh, ouch. So pretty. What more? Lip gloss, I think. Make those lips all glossy. Take my headband. Whoa. So pretty. Brushing my hair. I mean, your hair. Ta-da! Any more? Nice. Pretty. Gorgeous. Stunning. Nice.